Welcome dear students to my study vlog. Today we will discuss the answers of second model paper of social science, standard 10th MCQ. Portuguese sailor who discovered new sea route to India was. You can write test along with the video. If you need more time you can pause the video. Political anarchy broke out in Punjab after death of. Base of administration during British rule was. Policy introduced by Dalhousie was. Samaj founded by Atmaram Panduranga was. Dear students, we have made more videos like this only. Kindly go and watch them. During Sepoy Mutiny of 1857, soldiers entered Red Fort and declared this Mughal king as Emperor of Delhi. Give me your blood, I will give you freedom. This was said by. Period between 1885 to 1905 is known as Age of. Jawaharlal Nehru sought to develop India through. Swaraj Party was founded by boycotting the schools, colleges and courts were programs under this movement. The person who became famous along with Rani Chennamma was. Abhinava Bharata and Anushilan Samiti were two important secret organizations in. Assembly of people around a common interest without any expectation of planning is called. Those who are willing to work but are denied an opportunity to do so are called. Offering bribe and following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits is called. Dear students, we have made more videos such like this. Kindly go and watch them. The affiliated body that acts like global parliament to discuss world issues is. Human rights. The rights which a person acquires by birth are called. Dr. Nanjundappa has given special report to solve the problem of prohibition of children labor act was implemented in the year. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, please. The child labor is fostered by. General Secretary of UNO is elected by. Highest peak of South India is. Tropical cyclone frequently occur in Bay of Bengal during season of. Place which receive least amount of rainfall and is driest place in India is. Under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall, the soil that formed is in tropical areas is. The forests which are found in deltas of rivers are. Tributary of river Kaveri are. Best examples for beverage crops are. For developments of villages and agriculture, means of transport which is essential is. The iron and steel industries under public sector among these is using building material of high quality and avoiding high-rise buildings can prevent. First railway line in India was laid between Panchayat Raj institution works under principle of women self-help group contribute towards building a clean and progressive society. Which point supports this? Which of the following is not an indicator of Human Development Index? Economic development is a process whereby an economy's real national income increases over a long period of time. The definition of development is according to account opened by salaried persons or by persons who have fixed regular income is type of account in which where any number of transactions can be made in a day with bank is. If compensation to be received is above rupees 50 lakhs, then consumer should contact. Now let's check the answers. Here are your answers. You can check it. You can pause the video and check your answers. Kindly like the video, share with your friends, comment if you need more videos such like this. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here are your other answers. Kindly like the video, share with your friends so that they might also get benefited. Comment the video and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos.